So a few weeks back, my laptop froze in the middle of editing a video. No warning, no weird pop-ups, just a full-on hang. I forced a restart cause that's the first thing that popped in my mind at that time, and the next thing I know, I'm facing a super slow boot up. The same thing happened the next day. I thought to myself, I was like, does Windows need a deep scan? But after checking everything and doing all that, nothing, totally nothing seemed to be fixed. The boot up issues kept happening over and over and over again. Then I remembered a feature I hadn't used in years. It's built right into Windows, barely talked about, but weirdly powerful. I ran it once and that long boot up, it was gone completely. This is a tool Microsoft hides in plain sight, and today I'm going to be showing you how it can diagnose and even fix your PC automatically. But before we go there, I'll talk about two features you may want to consider first. So let's get started. Now here's where I started. I typed reliability monitor into the start menu. Most people don't even know this exists, by the way. But this thing is like a medical history for your PC. You see this graph? Each day is logged. Crashes, failed updates, driver issues, they're all there. Red X's mean errors, yellow warnings are for less serious stuff, and those blues are simply successfully run tasks. And if you click on any of them, it tells you exactly what failed. Now for me, it showed this program crashing repeatedly. What this program does is automatically update your PC with latest patches to keep the system running smooth. That was just the first clue. Next up was the Windows built-in troubleshooters. I call these ones the underrated fix-it team. Why? Well, that's what it simply feels like. I mean, tell me, when was the last time you ran a Windows built-in troubleshooter after your system acted out in any kind of way? Open troubleshooter settings, and under additional troubleshooters, you'll find auto fixers for common stuff like, say, internet, audio, power, Windows update, even printer issues. So next time your sound cuts out randomly, instead of googling drivers and all that stuff, try this first. I'll tell you a short story. Way back, I helped this one friend that had surprisingly gotten used to holding Zoom meetings with a webcam that wouldn't work, specifically on Zoom. If he's watching this video, then he probably knows I'm talking about him. But I mean, who gets that comfortable? Turns out Windows Camera Troubleshooter fixed a background privacy block in under 1 minute. Well, it wasn't big of a deal, but at least it put a smile on his face. Now, the feature I told you about. If your PC usually faces boot issues like, say, abnormally slow boot ups, even when you have less or no startup apps enabled, or sometimes get stuck in a boot loop and you have to force it off and start over the whole boot process again, this last feature may just be what you need. Simply open recovery options. Under advanced startup, click restart. This opens the recovery menu, and once you're there, go to troubleshoot, click advanced options, then choose startup repair. This runs a deep scan of your boot configuration, say registry errors, system file corruptions, missing drivers. It catches it all. I'd say it's like CPR for your PC when nothing else responds. I used this to fix that stubbornly long boot up process that kept happening over and over again, and I personally used this after a bad Windows update that broke my bootloader. Honestly speaking, at that point I thought it was over on my PC, but startup repair fixed it in under 5 minutes. Now here's a quick breakdown so you don't forget. First, use reliability monitor to diagnose crashes, errors, or weird behavior. Then use troubleshooters to auto fix daily annoyances. Say sound has been cut out randomly, internet is acting out, updates failing to complete. Then you want to use startup repair when your PC refuses to boot or gets stuck in a boot loop. Now you don't need a tech degree or repair tools to run what we just explored. These are built-in Windows features inside your PC, just waiting to be used. Most users overlook them, but that's totally understandable. And if you're one of those users, well, at least you now know what these features are capable of. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, or let me know what issue you're dealing with right now, and I might cover it in the next video. And hey, if you like fixes that actually work and don't waste your time, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next. Here at TechWithBenam we say thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.